Nothing's more refreshing than a fresh strawberry milkshake which is made within 5 minutes. So here I have taken total 9 fresh strawberries. You can increase the number of strawberries if you are making for more people. I am making just for myself. Then you need to cut the top part and chop this. Then transfer it into a big bowl. Add almost 2 tablespoons of sugar. I am using powdered sugar. You can use normal granulated sugar. You can increase the amount of sugar if your strawberry is very sour. If it's sweet, then you can adjust the amount of sugar. Mix this very nicely. And you need to freeze this in your freezer section for at least 30 minutes. If you have less time, then you can freeze this for 10 minutes. Then here I am taking a nice big glass and I am decorating it with some Ruah Afza. You can decorate it with whatever thing you have, like strawberry syrup, or just leave it like this. And then freeze this also with the strawberries for 30 minutes. Now the strawberries are done. I mean, it's post 30 minutes. Then I'm transferring it into a mixie jar. You can take a blender if you have. Blend this into a smooth puree. Then I am adding 1 cup of milk. This is total 1 cup, but I added almost half of it. Then add 2 scoops of strawberry ice cream. How to make strawberry ice cream I have already posted on my YouTube channel. You can check out the recipe. And you can also add vanilla ice cream or whatever ice cream you like, or you can even skip it. Ice cream will just help to thicken our milkshake. Then add the rest of the milk and again blend it for few seconds. Remove the glass that we decorated from the freezer and pour this strawberry milkshake into your glass. I am adding some strawberry ice cream again. This is optional. Garnish your strawberry milkshake with some whipped cream and sprinkles, which is also optional. You can have it like that because this strawberry milkshake is very tasty, it's very yummy. Do try out this strawberry milkshake recipe if you love strawberries, because strawberry season is not for very long.